Very good afternoon to everybody. Now, in the previous class, we have discussed about the formulas and the concepts of statistics, and mainly we have seen about the coefficient of variance and what is the range, what is the coefficient of range, and deviation method. That is, two data are there. One is ungrouped data and the second one is grouped data. So first, for the ungrouped data, how we are what are all the things we have seen? Mean method, assumed mean method, step deviation method. Likewise, the same only we have seen for grouped data: mean method, assumed mean method, standard deviation method. And a final formula which we have seen is direct mean method in grouped data, ungrouped data, and next one is coefficient of variance. Now, this little concept we are going to see. First one, can variance be negative? They are asking the question as whether the variance value will be negative. No, because the variance always it will be denoted with the positive value only. No, the variance cannot be negative because it is always positive. Next one. Next question is, can the standard deviation be more than the variance? Can the standard deviation be more than the variance? Yes, because variance is always greater than the standard deviation. Variance is always greater than the standard deviation. So now what would be the formula? We need to write it. Standard deviation equal to variance square. Variance square. So now next, if the variance is 0.49, then the standard deviation would be, what is the formula? If the variance is 0.49, then the standard deviation is what? What would be the value? Mainly variance is what? Variance equal to 0.49. Then the standard deviation. What would be the standard deviation they are asking? Variance, this is in square. Standard deviation means the square root we need to take it. So we need to find out the value of standard deviation. So the square, if you are putting here, means square root 0.49. 0.49. This one, how many squares will come as 49? 7 square. So the standard deviation value is 7. Here point is there, so 0.0. So 0.7. So this is what about standard deviation equal to 0.7. The next thing is, for any collection of n values, can you find the value of dash? Sigma of xi minus x bar equal to how much? What is the formula? Difference di. That is di equal to xi minus x bar. So here sigma is there. That is standard deviation. So standard deviation. Here this one sigma xi minus x bar. Any formulas are there? No, because there is no meaning at all. So no meaning. The standard deviation of a data is 2.8. If 5 is added to all the data values, then the new standard deviation is what? The same value only it will come. Whatever the standard deviation value is there, that same new value is also 2.8. Then next one. We shall move to exercise 4. This is the concept wise questions, and we can move to exercise 8.1. Find the range and the coefficient of range of the following data. Range means what? We need to find out the difference of largest value and smallest value. So, coefficient of range is largest value minus smallest value by largest value plus smallest value. So, here first one, in the given data, which one is the largest value? Largest value is what? 63, 89, 98, 125, 79, 63, 89, 98, 125, 79, 108, 117, 68 is there. So which one is the largest value? 125. Smallest value is what? Smallest value is 63. So now we need to find out the value of range. Range equal to L minus S. L is what? 125. Minus S is 63. So 125 minus 63? 62. Coefficient of range is what? Coefficient of range is L minus S by L plus S. L is what? 125 minus S is what? 63. Here the denominator they are mentioned as plus. So largest value is what? 125. Smallest value is 63. 5 minus 3 equal to 2. 12 minus 6 equal to 6. Here 5 plus 3 is 8. 6 plus 2 is 8. 1. The same value we need to write it here. So now next thing is how we are going to use this value. We can multiply with 2. 31 into 2, 62. 9 2s are 18. 4 2s are 8. So 31 by 94. If we divide the value 31 divided by 94, whether we could be able to divide 31 divided by 94? No, because this is the smallest value and this is the largest value. So 0. 3, 1, 0. 194 is 94. How many 94s we can able to solve it here? 3. 3 into 4, 12, balance 1. 3 9s are 27. 27 plus 1, 28. Remaining here, how much it will come? 28, 0. Here, how much the value will come? 2. 2 into 94, 188. So, now 0.32 is the value. 0.32 is the value. So, please kindly make a note of it. The next problem is, in the first problem, second subdivision. What we are going to solve it? Find the range and coefficient of range of the following data. Range. We need to find out the value of range. Range equal to, what is the formula? L minus S. Which one is the largest value here? 43.5, 13.6, 18.9, 38.4, 61.4. And which one is the largest value? 61.4. Smallest value is which one? L is which one the smallest value? 43, 13, 18, 38, 61, 29. So the smallest value which they have represented is 13.6. So now 4, if we cut 4, 14. 14 minus 6, 8. Here the decimal is there, so decimal. So 61 minus 13, how much it will come? 7, 4, 47.8. The next is coefficient of range. L minus S by L plus S. This is the formula. So how we need to solve? Largest value is 61.4 minus smallest value is 13.6 by largest is 61.4, smallest is 13.6. 61.4 minus 13.6, the same value, 47.8. Here 4 plus 6 is how much? 10. Balance 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 3, 5. So 47.8 by 75. So this is the value. So how we can able to express? We can express multiply by 10. If you express means you can do it. The next one is if the range and the smallest value of a set of a data are 36.8 and 13.4 respectively. Range is which one? Range is 36.8. What are the values they have given? This one. We need to find out the value, largest value. So range is what? 36.8. Smallest value is what? 13.4. So how we need to find out the largest value? First of all, we need to know the formula. So what we need to write? As per the formula, range equal to L minus S. So range is what? 36.8. L is what? We need to find out the value. Smallest value. S is what? 13.4. Here minus 13.4 is there. If it comes in the left hand side, what it will come? If minus is there, if it comes in the left hand side, it will come as plus. So 36.8 plus 13.4, how much? 8 plus 4, 12. Balance 1. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 3, 10. Balance 1. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 1, 5. So this is the largest value. Are you able to understand? Yes. Okay. The next one. Calculate the range of the following data. They have given the data as here 400 to 450, 450 to 500, 500 to 550, 550 to 600, 600 to 650. So in among these values, which one is the largest value? Because we need to find out the value of range. Which one is the smallest value? Largest value is 650. Smallest value is 400. So what would be the range value? Range is largest minus smallest. Largest is what? 650. Smallest is 400. This is the value. 650 minus 400. 0 minus 0, 0. 5 minus 0, 5. 6 minus 4, 2. So this is the value. That's all. Remaining sums we can see it in next class. Thank you.